How to use filter on YouTube Shorts. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can use filter on YouTube Shorts. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you need to follow up. So let's just get started with the process and look out on how you can do that. So for that, you can go ahead and normally go to the plus icon and create a short that like you usually do. And after the short is created, you're gonna find this filter section here at the right side of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you should be getting different options of filter right here. So you can go ahead and select the filter you want for your video, the one you want, and select right and tap on next and simply post it if you want to post it, and that is it. These are the process which is super easy and straightforward. In order to add filters in a YouTube short, go ahead and follow this process and you should be able to add filters in a YouTube short as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.